Do you want to earn at least $10 a day? Thus, in today's video, I'm going to show you an awesome way to make money online just by drag and drop. And you can do that simply on Vista Creator. And if you don't know what Vista Create is one of the best head-to-head competitors to Canva.com, where you can create beautiful designs, social media posts, and so on. Therefore, you can use Vista Create as a user to create your posts, YouTube thumbnails, and the like. However, there is another way to make money online using Vista Create. First off, just you can head to Google and type here Vista Create Contributor. Then jump to the first result, click over it. Then you will be taken to this web page that announces the job of being Vista Create Contributors. So what does it mean by Vista Create Contributor? Here you can work as a designer to create beautiful templates in order to make other people and other users on Vista Create utilize your templates to create their posts, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and so on. Thus, here you can work as a designer for making templates. And here you can find some instructions like fill in the form to join this Vista Create Contributor community. Then review guidelines and some instructions. Then design your template for any platform like Instagram, Reel, Pinterest, Pin, YouTube, thumbnail, and the like. Then submit your design. Once your template approved, you will get paid $5, $4, $6 for each approved template. So if we go down a little bit, here you can find some details and some instructions to be a successful contributor on Vista Create, such as just you can use English text only, not Indian, not Arabic, and other any language rather than English. Number two, start with a preset format. For sure, you can create beautiful templates for the preset formats or preset dimensions for different platforms like for Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, business cards, and so on and so forth. Number three, use Vista Create content only. Here, you gotta use the content existing on library of Vista Create, such as fonts, texts, pictures, videos, and so on. And don't use anything outside Vista Create library. And number four, refer to Contributors Hub. Here you gotta join the Facebook group that gathers the all Vista Create contributors, where you can find a lot of ins and tricks, in and outs, tips and tricks about the trending topics, upcoming events, and so on to be a successful contributor on Vista Create. Thus, first of all, just you can click over this button, fill in the form, and insert your details like username, your email registered on Vista Create. Then after 10 days up to 2 weeks, it sends you a confirmation message that congrats you to join this amazing community to be a Vista Create contributor. This message would be like this one. Congrats, you are a Corello contributor now, and for sure Vista Create was formerly Corello.com. So it requires you to join this Facebook group. Then click over this one to join this Facebook group. As you see, Contributors Creative Hub Vista Create. You can find a lot of tips and tricks, ins and outs about the trending topics, the occasions, the upcoming events, to create beautiful templates and so on, as you see. Perfect. And once you approved and join this amazing Facebook group, head over Vista Create to create your beautiful templates. Thus, as I said before, here you gotta use any preset format, like you can create Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, Facebook post, logo, business card, and the like. So for example, we can create something like YouTube thumbnail. Click over it. And as we mentioned before, just you can use the only content on Vista Create, including photos, music, objects, backgrounds, text, styles, and so on and so forth. So for example, quickly we can do it as an example. Like you can go to text and add something like photo text here, as you see, and add something photos like this one, for example. Okay, perfect. Quickly to create your beautiful templates. And for sure, you can get a lot of ideas and inspiration from different websites and from external resources such as freepick.com. Here you can find huge amounts of posts for different platforms and so on to get inspired by a lot of these beautiful photos and these beautiful posts. Or this one, inspirationgrid.com, one of the best and the biggest resources for inspiration for every graphic designer, for any YouTuber and so on, to create amazing and outstanding posts, YouTube thumbnails, portfolio, and much more, as you observe. Or this behance.net, you can find huge amounts of inspirational tools to make fascinating templates, posts, and so on. Or dripple.com, you can find huge amounts of the world's leading design portfolios. Or deviantart.com, here you can get inspired by a lot of these beautiful styles, colors, and so on. And for sure, you gotta use pinterest.com to find a lot of great ideas to create your beautiful posts for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, business cards, YouTube thumbnails, and the like. So we can go to our drawing box in Vista Create here, and after making your own template by getting a lot of ideas to create your beautiful template, you are done making your own template, then you can go back to my projects, okay, and you can find the old templates and your designs you made here on Vista Create as a user or a designer. Then head over these three dots, click over them, and here you can find an option that says submit your design. Then here you can submit your template, in other words, and just you can wait 3 days, 4 days, or up to a week to get your confirmation whether it is rejected or approved template. And once they approved your template, you will get paid just $5, $6, based on your professionalism, the trending event, the beauty of your templates, and so on, and based on a lot of parameters and factors. Thus, you can use Vista Create to create a beautiful income stream. If you have some ideas and some inspiration to create beautiful templates to make other people like them to create their posts, YouTube thumbnails, business cards, logos, and much more. So here you can use Vista Create not only as a user but also as a designer or a contributor, and they make a lot of templates to be approved, and they make a lot of money, at least $10 a day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.